I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the land welcomes you. The land tests everyone. It's how it chooses who belongs. I feel something here, something I cannot ignore.
Your world is not the same as mine.
Adaeze, this river has witnessed every oath of our bloodline.
And today, it will hear mine, Father, one born of my heart.
You will marry the prince of Umweze. Our people's future depends on it.
Must I bury my soul to plant the seed of duty? I will not be traded like land between kings.
You mistake sacrifice for surrender, my child.
Then let the river decide whose heart is true.
Can't believe it.
Driving across the moon.
Every step feels unreal. I'm standing where dreams touch reality, and the earth looks so fragile from here.
Have you been looking for how you can create videos without a camera or studio? In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create long-form videos, African folk tales, children's stories, or others. Make sure you watch till the end. Do not skip any part, because you will learn step by step how to create videos just like the ones you just saw in minutes.
The first thing we do is to open our browser, and on our browser we type deepmind.google, and then we enter, and then it opens this for us. Or if it doesn't, you just look for the one that says deepmind.google and open it this way, and then we look for try in flow. And once you click on try in flow, it's going to take you to where you can log in with your account details. You log in with your account details, your Gmail account details. Okay, you can also create one. There will be an option for you to create one if you don't have anyone. Okay, once you do that, it's going to take you to the next screen. So it's going to probably bring you to this screen, and once it brings you to this screen, click on new project. And once you click on new project, it brings to this place, and we are going to now start creating our videos. And when you come here, you can see we have text to video, which allows us to create a video using text, frame to video, which allows us to upload the beginning frame and the ending frame for our video, and then type in the prompt and it will be used for us. And we can also create image or use the ingredients to video. And over here we can choose our settings like number of outputs, the aspect ratio, whether we want it in 16:9 or tall 9:16, and we can also choose our model here. And as you can see, VEO 3 is no longer 3.0 is no longer here. We have 3.1 now. Fast beta 3.1 quality. And if you choose quality, it's going to require you to pay more for more credits, or it's going to use more credits. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at VEO 3.1 fast. Okay, then it's going to generate with 20 credits. And let me show you, when you choose quality, it changes to 100 credits for each generation. So you can see that. And if you double it, that means you can choose an output here, 2, 3, or any one. And then so I'm going to go back to this. Then I will come to where I have my prompt for my video. So you can see scene 1 here. So I'm going to copy all these like this, and then I'm going to go back and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to go back and paste it here. Then we hit generate to have our video generated for us. oh, I didn't change the number of times I wanted it to generate. Okay, I wanted it to be 1, but it's generating 3, but there's no problem. We are going to see, we are going to pick the best one out of the 3. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us to keep bringing helpful tutorials like this. Make sure you join the growing community and be part of this community where you'll be getting helpful video tutorials on how to use AI tools, and of course the best AI tools that you can use and the free AI tools that you can use to create whatever video you want to create, be it for your African folktale channel, for your children channel, religion, or whatever it is. So our video is ready now. So we click on any of them.
I did not
See,
expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the land welcomes you.
I did not
Alright.
expect the morning to feel
Now,
this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the
okay, so we can see that. Let's play this one and we see.
I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
peace comes easy when the land welcomes you.
All right, so that's cool. Let's see this one too.
I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the land welcomes you.
All right,
I
so
did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
all right, so I think I like this first one. So I'm going to click on add to scene to bring it to our scene builder, where we're going to finish off with other things that we are going to add or do to the video. So it brings us to this particular place, and here you can see this plus sign. We can jump to a particular point, and here we can extend it. And when you come here, you have the download, and here you can actually click to delete or rearrange, which we are going to see how to do that later. And over here you can also choose any of these, like we saw in the other place. You can choose text to video, frame to video, and whichever one you want, and you can enter your text here, choose versions here, choose number of generations here. So I'm going to change number of generations to number of outputs to 1. Okay, output per prompt to 1, and I'm going to go back again and copy the second scene of our video. Meanwhile, if you are wondering how I got all these, I got them using ChatGPT. So I use ChatGPT to get my prompt for my video. I gave ChatGPT my idea and it gave me the prompt. So I'm going to paste for the second. Sorry, I'm going to click on this and extend, because I want to add a scene that will continue from that point where they stopped, where the first video stopped, where this particular video stopped. So the next scene will continue seamlessly from there. So I will use the extend to do that. If I want it to jump as if it has cut to another scene now, it has cut to a different scene, I can use the jump to feature to do that. So after I've chosen this, in the here I will paste the prompt that I just copied, and notice that this place now changes to what? Extend. So it says Gemini is using your scene to create the next shot. So let's go again and see what it creates for us. And once I hit that send, it will begin to create the next part for us. Okay, so our scene is ready now. Let's go ahead and play everything.
I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the land welcomes you. The land tests everyone. It's how it chooses who belongs.
All right, so that is cool. I'm going to also do that for the next scene, which is scene 3, and you can continue to do that. So you copy the next one if you have that scene with you. So I'm going to copy this scene too. I'm going to make sure that this scene is selected, because before you can extend any scene, make sure that you select that scene. So copy the plus again, then come here and paste. Make your settings here, go ahead and send it. Okay, and you continue creating and creating like that until you finally arrive at what you want to arrive at. And then when you are done, you just click on download. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to run this scene for this tutorial, but it is actually like that. You keep adding your scenes until until you get the length you want. You can click on download to download your video. Okay, as of now you can see how long the video is. So I have 11 seconds video, and if I should extend more now, I will have at least 15 seconds. Okay, let me go ahead and run that one. All right, so it has finished creating our video, and I have also gone ahead to click on download, and it exported it. And after exporting, all I need to do to have this video in my gallery or in my folder on my laptop is just to click on download. But before we do that, let's play the video to see what it created for us. So I have 3 scenes here. Remember, we created the first scene, so I use extend to add these 2 scenes, okay, to the whole project. So I'm going to start playing from here so that we see how each and every one of them blends very well to the next one, making one long video. And you can continue to add your scenes over and over again. Okay, you can continue adding your scenes. And if you want to know how my prompts look like, this is the prompt. So a cinematic description, this is scene 1, and a wide establishing shot of a golden African savanna farmland at sunrise. The camera glides over tall maize fields, Tommy feels swaying in slow motion as thoughts motes rise in warm light. The daughter of the village king, dressed in flowing earth-tone traditional silk, approaches the farmland path. The farmer, muscular and dirt-stained, is already at work, driving a handhole into the earth. A soft breeze stirs her garment as she hesitates, captivated by the simplicity around her. Now, this is the camera settings, the camera plus lightning. Camera cranes down from the sky, pushing forward into a gentle dolly aim toward the 2 characters. Backlit sunrise creates a glowing silhouette around her figure and rim light along the farmer's shoulders. So that's the camera angle and the camera effect. Then the dialogue starts. So the daughter will say softly, "I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful. Farmer, peace comes easy when the land welcomes you." Now, this is what there's something else I realized from here. Okay, I'm just observing that now, and you can also correct that. Okay, in the this thing, what you do is, instead of having daughter and farmer, you can change this to man and woman, so that the model will be able to differentiate who is talking at a particular time. Because I realized in this final output here, this video, that it was the farmer that spoke first, and then the uh, king's daughter replied later. But in the prompt here, the dialogue says that it is the daughter that should say, "I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful." So let's play everything now. Let's see.
I did not expect the morning to feel this peaceful.
Peace comes easy when the land welcomes you. The land tests everyone. It's how it chooses who belongs. I feel something here, something I cannot ignore.
Your world is not the same as mine.
Okay, so that's beautiful. I don't know where that bell is coming from. But one beautiful thing about this is that if you create a scene, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and recreate the scene, either by creating it again with the same prompt or by adjusting your prompt. Like in scene 2, the daughter is the one who actually uh, okay, the daughter did not say, I think your land is testing me. Now, the reason why this occurs sometimes is because the dialogue is long. Now, the length of the video is usually 6, 7 to 8 seconds. So if there is going to be any effect or dialogue in one scene, you have to make sure that you frame it, that you time it within that particular length of time. Otherwise, it will begin to cut some things out, especially the dialogue. So that is what I have observed. So what I do sometimes is I will take one of the dialogues up like this, create a video of that one. Then later, I will now come and join this particular part of it. Okay, so so this one will be like scene one. The first one I copy will be scene one. Then I will use the extend feature to add scene two to it, and it will blend seamlessly. Okay, so we have seen the whole thing the way it is. And when you download your video, just like I'm going to say download from here, once you download your video, you can go ahead and use any video editing software like CapCut or Filmora to put your videos together, okay, and add more interesting things to it, more interesting effects like zoom, pan, and all that to it. And if there are scenes that you need to cut out, which definitely there's going to be, because all these things are not perfect, so sometimes they may not actually give you what you want. For instance, you may want the camera to zoom to the daughter's face, to the girl's face, the lady's face. But if that does not happen, what are you going to do? You can use your video editing software to make that happen, which is what I did in this series of videos that I will show you now. I created them, then I use CapCut to put them together.
Adaeze, this river has witnessed every oath of our bloodline.
And today, it will hear mine, Father, one born of my heart.
You will marry the prince of Umweze. Our people's future depends on it.
Must I bury my soul to plant the seed of duty? I will not be traded like land between kings.
You mistake sacrifice for surrender, my child.
Then let the river decide whose heart is true.
Can't believe it.
Driving across the moon.
Every step feels unreal. I'm standing where dreams touch reality, and the earth looks so fragile from here.
But if you have not watched other videos where I showed how to use CapCut to do all these things, make sure you watch them. Okay, subscribe to the channel and share this video to anyone, your friends and your families who may benefit from this. Remember, there is love in sharing.
Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, okay? So that we grow together. I will be bringing more helpful, profitable tutorial to this channel. You can also book a one-on-one session with me. See the group or video description for contact information. See you in the next video.